haven't we?
Yes, sir.
So we should practice all the tenses because test will be taking place tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
So let's practice. मैं जाता हूँ, I go.
I go.
मैं नहीं जाता हूँ, I don't go.
I don't go.
क्या मैं जाता हूँ, do I go?
Do I go?
क्या मैं नहीं जाता हूँ, don't I go?
Don't I go?
मैं क्यों जाता हूँ, why do I go?
Why do I go?
मैं क्यों नहीं जाता हूँ, why don't I go?
Why don't I go?
मैं जा रहा हूँ, I'm going.
I'm going.
मैं नहीं जा रहा हूँ, I'm not going.
I'm not going.
क्या मैं जा रहा हूँ, am I going?
Am I going?
क्या मैं नहीं जा रहा हूँ, am I not going?
Am I not going?
मैं क्यों जा रहा हूँ, why am I going?
Why am I going?
मैं क्यों नहीं जा रहा हूँ, why am I not going?
Why am I not going?
मैं जा चुका हूँ, I've gone.
I'm gone.
मैं नहीं गया हूँ, I haven't gone.
I haven't gone.
क्या मैं जा चुका हूँ, have I gone?
Have I gone?
क्या मैं नहीं जा चुका हूँ, haven't I gone?
Haven't I gone?
मैं क्यों जा चुका हूँ, why have I gone?
Why have I gone?
मैं क्यों नहीं जा चुका हूँ, why haven't I gone?
Why haven't I gone?
मैं सुबह से जा रहा हूँ, I've been going since morning.
I've been going since morning.
मैं सुबह से नहीं जा रहा हूँ, I haven't been going since morning.
I haven't been going since morning.
क्या मैं सुबह से जा रहा हूँ, have I been going since morning?
Have I been going since morning?
क्या मैं सुबह से नहीं जा रहा हूँ, haven't I been going since morning?
Haven't I been going since morning?
मैं सुबह से क्यों जा रहा हूँ, why have I been going since morning?
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 Since morning, since morning.
Since morning, since morning.
Morning, 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 morning.
Morning, 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 morning.
मैं सुबह से क्यों नहीं जा रहा हूँ, why haven't I been going since morning?
Why haven't I been going since morning?
मैं गया, I went.
I went.
मैं नहीं गया, I didn't go.
I did go.
क्या मैं गया, did I go?
Did I go?
क्या मैं नहीं गया, didn't I go?
Did I go?
मैं क्यों गया, why did I go?
Why did I go?
मैं क्यों नहीं गया, why didn't I go?
Why did I go?
मैं जा रहा था, I was going.
I was going.
Going, going.
Going, going.
I was going.
I was going.
You were going.
You were going.
We were going.
We were going.
They were going.
They were going.
He was going.
He was going.
She was going.
She was going.
मैं नहीं जा रहा था, I wasn't going.
I wasn't going.
क्या मैं जा रहा था, was I going?
Was I going?
क्या मैं नहीं जा रहा था, wasn't I going?
Wasn't I going?
मैं क्यों जा रहा था, why was I going?
Why was I going?
मैं क्यों नहीं जा रहा था, why wasn't I going?
Why wasn't I going?
मैं जा चुका था, I'd gone.
I gone.
मैं नहीं गया था, I hadn't gone.
I hadn't gone.
क्या मैं गया था, had I gone?
Had I gone?
क्या मैं नहीं गया था, hadn't I gone?
Hadn't I gone?
मैं क्यों गया था, why had I gone?
Why had I gone?
मैं क्यों नहीं गया था, why hadn't I gone?
Why hadn't I gone?
मैं कल से जा रहा था, I'd been going since yesterday.
I've been going since yesterday.
मैं कल से नहीं जा रहा था, I hadn't been going since yesterday.
I hadn't been going since yesterday.
क्या मैं कल से जा रहा था, had I been going since yesterday?
Had I been going since yesterday?
क्या मैं कल से नहीं जा रहा था, hadn't I been going since yesterday?
Hadn't I been going since yesterday?
मैं कल से क्यों जा रहा था, why had I been going since yesterday?
Why had I been going since yesterday?
मैं कल से क्यों नहीं जा रहा था, why hadn't I been going since yesterday?
Why had I been going since yesterday?
मैं जाऊंगा, I'll go.
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 You'll go.
You'll go.
We'll go.
He'll
He'll
go.
go.
He'll
She'll
go.
go.
He'll go.
They'll go.
They'll
Go,
go.
go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. I'll go.
I'll go.
मैं नहीं जाऊंगा, I won't go.
I won't go.
I won't go.
I won't go.
क्या मैं जाऊंगा, will I go?
Will I go?
Will I go?
Will I go?
क्या मैं नहीं जाऊंगा, won't I go?
Won't I go?
मैं क्यों जाऊंगा, why will I go?
Why will I go?
मैं क्यों नहीं जाऊंगा, why won't I go?
Why won't I go?
मैं जा रहा हूँगा, I'll be going.
I'll be going.
मैं नहीं जा रहा हूँगा, I won't be going.
I won't be going.
क्या मैं जा रहा हूँगा, will I be going?
Will I be going?
क्या मैं नहीं जा रहा हूँगा, won't I be going?
Won't I be going? मैं क्यों जा रहा हूँगा? Why will I be going?
Why will I be going?
मैं क्यों नहीं जा रहा हूँगा? Why won't I be going?
Why won't I be going?
मैं जा चुका हूँगा. I'll have gone.
I have gone.
Gone, gone.
Gone, gone.
I'll have gone.
I have gone.
मैं नहीं जा चुका हूँगा. I won't have gone.
I won't have gone.
क्या मैं जा चुका हूँगा? Will I have gone?
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 क्या मैं नहीं जा चुका हूँगा? Won't I have gone?
Won't I have gone?
Won't I have gone?
Won't I have gone?
मैं क्यों जा चुका हूँगा? Why will I have gone?
Why will I have gone?
मैं क्यों नहीं जा चुका हूँगा? Why won't I have gone?
Why won't I have gone?
Go, went, gone.
Go and gone.
Gone, gone, gone.
Gone, gone, gone.
Why won't I have gone?
Why won't I have gone?
मैं जा रहा हूँगा. I'll have been going
I have been going
for 2 days.
for 2 days.
मैं नहीं जा रहा हूँगा. I won't have been going
I won't have been going
for 2 days.
for 2 days.
क्या मैं जा रहा हूँगा? Will I have been going
Will I have been going
for 2 days?
for 2 days?
क्या मैं नहीं जा रहा हूँगा? Won't I have been going
Won't I have been going
for 2 days?
for 2 days?
Why will I have been going
Why will I have been going
for 2 days?
for 2 days?
Why won't I have been going
Why won't I have been going
for 2 days?
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 For 2 days? For 2 days?
Did you understand, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Did you like it?
Yes, sir.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
So do you have any doubt in all 12 tenses
No, sir.
and in their 6 forms?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
No doubt at all?
No, sir.
Are you ready for the test tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, wow, that's like students, good students. Proud of you, right? And keep it up. You can practice like this at your home as well with your brothers, sisters. Did you like this practice?
Yes, sir.
So you can make English very funny. How? Just by dancing and singing. Sing English, dance English. Okay? Okay, that's great.